And I genuinely feel like he's also is a language of self-love.
Yes.
Yeah. You always wanted to like do new things on the move. And also on the shady part, I always tell my partner, I'm like, if I were to date someone that didn't have a lot going on in their life, I just feel like you have a room to cheat.
Oh,
What are you doing with all that extra time?
That's true.
that's kind of true.
That's
though.
true.
After 5 p.m., what are you doing?
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. You're right. Cheaters out there. Get a hobby or two. It's true. Regardless.
Get multiple.
Get multiple.
Yes, because I'm like, the way you know that if you're not reaching me, I'm probably just busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm busy doing stuff.
Busy doing stuff. Yeah. Instead of multiple partners, have multiple activities.
Yes.
Yeah.
It will stop you from hopefully straight.
Yes. So if you have a problem with cheating, this is the hack. Get busy.
Results may vary.